हमारे चैनल पर आने का आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसको लाइक और शेयर लाज़मी कर देना। और हाँ, मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर दें और घंटी के बटन को दबा दें। शुक्रिया।
Because the next 6 balls obviously are going to be critical. If they can get rid of either one of them, it's going to be as good as gold.
It's in the air. Is it safe? Is it safe? It is just. But the right thing happens for Lahore.
He's eyeing the big shot here. That's to completely close out the deal. 8 from 5 balls.
Oh, beautifully bowled. Brave too. Slower ball.
But Wisa, let's not undermine his performance. He's played beautifully in this partnership.
Oh, inside out. Skipper's there though. In that hot spot of long off. Shoaib Malik does well on the 200.
Plays almost 200.
Love this game. And another miss hit. Gonna have to hustle for 2. He slips, does De Villiers. Jeez, he is so quick.
Christian, and so far so good. So a boundary needed from the last 2 balls.
Don't get down, the keeper has. Are we looking for a champagne supernova rover? Could there be one here in match 10? 3 from 1. Oh.
This is top quality stuff. This is great bowling under pressure. He had and he has delivered so far. So this is it now. Qalandars need 3 from 1 ball.
2-2-2.
एक बॉल
Here
पे
we
3 रन
go.
चाहिए.
2 for a tie.
So it's got to be a slow ball again on that middle leg side. Got to repeat the effort again.
Fans are loving this.
ਉਹਨੇ ਛੱਕਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਦੇ ਗਿਆ.
Match 10, a last ball finish, and Psl smokes the last one out of the ballpark.
Yeah, I told you he was special in this partnership. De Villiers. He will first sign a Brighter Paints Fan of the Match. Okay. And get the awards from Mr. Sohaib Sheikh and Mr. Khalaf Mukhatir. Yeah, I think so. It doesn't matter. Maybe you've got to come back again for your check and for your trophy. And a few words, AB. Gotta talk about this samurai wielding sword that you had with you. Fantastic run chase it was.
I'm confused because I thought David Visa was going to stand here. He played a sublime knock and it would not have been possible without him, to be honest. I had the opportunity to take my time in the early stages of my innings, and I always felt that it was necessary to take it deep, and we got a bit closer than what I hoped for at the end, but it was a good one for us.
Yeah. I mean, that's how it's usually done in a run chase like this, over 200 runs. You take it easy, deep breaths, and then you explore. That's how you actually usually target the targets.
Sure, it was tempting to have a go a bit earlier, but with David Visa there, as I alluded to earlier, he takes a lot of pressure off me. He's a boundary hitter, he hits the ball sweet, so I didn't have to go in the 15th or the 16th over. I felt that I can just play and leave it for nice and late. Unbelievable knock from him, nice partnership.
And final question, obviously, for young kids who want to emulate you, there seems to be clarity of thought, clarity of mind when the ball is to be delivered. You know what you want to do. It's not a half-hearted attempt at hitting the ball. Is that how you perceive it as well?
I'm going to disappoint you. It's not always the case. I get very nervous. So to the youngsters out there who wants a message, I would say it's okay to be nervous. It's okay to feel rushed, to feel like you've got to get a big over, and just try and take it one ball at a time.
Okay, fantastic innings. You need to get the award from Mr. Khalaf Bukhater as well. It's a memento from Sharjah Cricket Stadium and Sharjah Cricket. Yeah, fantastic batting by AB de Villiers, and that is what we have from the presentation ceremony down here.